Speed up your workflow by 10x just by a few keystrokes. So let's start it. First press Ctrl then Windows and D. With this you can open multiple virtual windows or desktop you can say. So just open a few programs to try it. Like this I will open a browser first. There you go, my first app. Now on second I will try Word. You can see it's working. Now for third one I will try to open a folder. There you go. See? Now you can navigate between them by just holding on to Control and Windows and use your arrow keys right and left, right, right, left, left. Okay, these are the two commands. And now third is, let's see, we don't have all these virtual windows. We are using one window and we have all three programs open. So how are we gonna shift from one to other? Don't hold your mouse. Let's go. Hold on to Alt and then press Tab. See, all three are here. You can open any of it. Now let's see. I want to minimize all these programs at once. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to not go and hold Windows and then press D. You see, all of them minimized, and now I want to them up. All I want to do is Windows plus D. Okay, this is it. And let's see, I want to do something else. For that I'm going to open some other window. Like this I have placed my. Now see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click without using mic. So how I'm going to not do it, just do it like this. Just hold down the shift key and then press F10. You can see it's working. See? Okay. You can use it like this anywhere you want. This is it for today. I'll see you next time. See ya.